Hello students, in this video we will discuss about topic construction. In this topic we will discuss about some construction about a similar triangle, division of lines, draw the tangents from any point to any circle. There are many topics, and this topic is already related to class 10th maths NCERT. This is very simple chapter. Topics related to this will be divide a line into given ratio. This is the first topic. Second topic is construct a similar triangle to the given triangle, and ratio of sides are also given. Ratio of sides are given. And the third, this is very important, third topic will be draw a tangent from an external point to the circle. There are mainly three topics we will study in the construction. Now we will take one by one. First, divide a line into given ratio. Suppose a line which is AB and length of this line is 7 centimeter. Our question is divide this line in the ratio. Divide this line in the ratio 2:3 or 2:5. Suppose we want to divide this line in the ratio 2:5. For this is very simple. First we make an acute angle with AB line in the lower direction or upper direction. You can make anywhere. Suppose I here make an angle BAX, but condition that this angle should be always acute angle, and cut on the AX equal parts of 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 part cut on this line, and number of the arcs is equal to sum of this ratio. That means in your compass you take a distance or a radius and cut from here like this, this. On the same way you should be cut like 7 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Write the name as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Now we will join A7 to B. That means A7 to B. Like this, A7 to B. And since small ratio is 2, so from the second point means A1, A2, this is A1, this is A2, A1, A2, we should be draw a parallel line to A7B. A7B in the upper direction. How to draw a line from A2 parallel to A3B? First we take a radius, any radius in your compass, and put on this point and cut an arc like this. Now don't increase or decrease this radius, and put this compass on the point 2 A2 and cut an arc like this. Again with the help of compass, we should measure the length of arc, that is from here to here, and the same length we cut another arc from this point where this arc cut at AX, from this point like this, and join A2 and this intersection point of arcs with the help of scale. This line intersect AB, suppose at C. Then AC will be 2 and CB will be 5. As you see here, from A to A2, 1, 2, there are 2 parts, that means this will be 2 parts, A to C. And from A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is the 5 parts, so this will be also 5 parts. How to verify it? Means in this question, this is very important to verify this. Now, already we have discussed in the chapter 6, Thales theorem. As you see here, in triangle A7B, A7B, A2C parallel to A7B by construction. Already in 7th chapter, that means according to concept of Thales, if a line drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle, then this line divide the remaining 2 sides in the same ratio. That means, therefore, by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, we can apply AC upon CB equal to AA2 whole upon A2 A7. Now, since AA2, count how many parts between A and A2? 1, 2. That means there is 2. And A2 A7, from A2 A7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5. Therefore, AC is to CB equal to 2 is to 5. Now, this is the verification of this question. Now, in the next video, we will take next topic.